Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye, and check out my full Black Widow exhaust system that I've just recently installed. So we have a new header pipe plus slip-on, so full exhaust system, and I guess you're wondering how it sounds. But before I show you that, this is how it sounds in standard form. Now this is how the new Black Widow exhaust system sounds, however I do have the DB killer inserted. Now, this is the Black Widow exhaust system in all its glory. So what do you reckon then? Sounds so good, doesn't it? I'm actually more than impressed. It sounds better than I thought it would do. I'm going to do a full review of this system in the near future, so if you do want to find out what my full opinion is of this Black Widow exhaust system, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much. So this was just a short video. I just wanted to demonstrate how the bike sounded in standard form versus how the bike sounds with this full Black Widow system. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you later.